I've already tested the new features, but let's take a closer look at the skin temperature sensor Apple is introducing in this update. The skin temperature sensor informs two areas of Apple's health suite: sleep tracking and cycle tracking. For sleep, deviations in baseline overnight temperature might help you keep tabs on what external factors impact your regular rest. Think traveling or drinking alcohol. But perhaps more compelling is how skin temperature readings advance fertility tracking. Changes to wrist temperature have been proven accurate indicators of probable ovulation. Whether you are trying to conceive or monitoring conditions such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, predicted ovulation based on skin temperature readings, though Apple Health and Apple Watch seem to make great use of the new sensor. As for privacy, all cycle tracking data is secured with end-to-end encryption and data can be deleted at any time. You also have control over who you share your health data with. For example, you might want to share your cycle information with a doctor assisting you with fertility. When stationed at the demonstration table with the new Apple Watch devices, the Apple Watch Ultra is the first one I reached for. That's not a knock to the Apple Watch Series 8. I did eventually try it on. The skin temperature sensor, crash detection, and low power mode seem like good additions to the experience. Will they be enough? Stay tuned for a full review of the Apple Watch Series 8. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.